Hi, this is Sharanya from Ka-pore by Momita, and today I'd like to show you a very unique cotton sari that I came across in our Burdwan workshop. This sari is in a quintessential red and white Bengali combination, but what caught my eyes are this stunning bird motif on the palla, which kind of resembles a phoenix, is what I feel. And as you continue in the body, the entire body has this dainty leaf motif Jamdani bootas. It's a 6.5 meter sari, so the last 1 meter will be your running blouse piece. But definitely, what catches the eye is this stunning bird motif in the palla. It's a very soft 100 count cotton sari, and this is available in one piece only. It is extremely lightweight, very breathable, and drapes like a dream. And this is how the sari is going to look when you drape it. For prices and booking details, please connect with us in the DMs or in the comment section. And this is how the sari is.